Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can highlight text in Microsoft Word document, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word document open up here. So to highlight your text, I have all these simple text Kandowa media tutorial, right? So let's say you want to highlight this tutorial text right here. So just highlight it. Make sure you highlight it first with your mouse, right? And then come here. Once you're on your home tab, once you look here, you will see this AB with the paint pen right there. So now just click on there, and then if you can choose, or if you choose, you click on this arrow right here, you can choose the color that you want to highlight. Now as you can see, it's right there, right? So let's say you want to keep it yellow. Now as you can see, you highlight it in yellow, right? That's how you can highlight a text in Microsoft Word. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.